So, careful this one. We have a hose. This vacuum hose, like this one. If you cannot connect, how to pull out, like to this one, to install this one also. Careful this one. If no attached in the hose, this one is they cannot start the engine. Okay, they have a problem about starting. So you pull out this one. Plus this one, okay. Oh. So this is the fuel pump assembly. This one. So I show you to how to install this one. Now this is the first how to pull out and dismantle. So this is the float. This is the pump. Okay. So dismantle this one. Now this one. Now continue this one. Do how to dismantle. So pull out this one. They have a lock. Okay. This one. Okay. Lock. After this one, they have a for connection the float. So this is the float. Okay. This is the connector of pump. This. So they have this one. You see this? So they have a opposite side here. Pull out also. Also this one. Now very easy to pull out.
King Mitsubishi.
Okay, this one. Okay, this float make to release this one. Yeah, it's little on. Okay, like this. So this is the housing. Okay. So now pull out this one. Pull out this. Okay. So this is the strainer. So the opposite side. So this is the strainer, the old one. So the lock. So now this is the pump. Okay. So make it press this one to pull out. Okay. So actually they have a O-ring inside. This one, but the O-ring is this one O-ring. Okay. This is the O-ring. Okay, for here. But actually they have a new one. So change this one. So this is the filter. Filter housing with housing. Okay. This is the housing. So this is the housing. This is the strainer. This is the pump. So
What is the filter?
don't forget to pull out this one. See? See? Change the O-ring also. This one. So this is how to dismantle the fuel pump assembly. So the fuel filter, how to dismantle. This is the fuel pump, the new one. This is an unboxing. Okay. So this one, is the fuel pump, fuel filter. So this is the repair kit. This one. So this is the gasket. So I show you to how to install the fuel filter with pump. So now to be continued this one. So this is how to install the fuel pump with filter. So this is the repair kit. Okay. So pull out this one. So see. See this one, this is the O-ring. So this is the position, okay? So this is the O-ring, huh? So this is a new one. Put here. So what is the size here? This is the big one. Okay, here the big one. Okay. So make it lubricate. Put oil here. Okay, for lubrication. For preparation, this is the pump. This is all done. So now next is the hair. Okay.
What
This
is
is the old one. Okay. Here. Yeah.
regulator bulb?
This one. Change. And so. To that one. So here. So next is this the O-ring. Put here. We put it, make it lubricate also. So this is the how to install. This is the old one. Put here. So yeah. It's down. Okay. Lubricate also this one. So this is the pump. So don't forget to lubricate this one, huh? Lubricate center and make it center, make it slow down to push like this. Okay. Yeah. Finish. So put the strainer. Now this one. Do you have this is the line of pump. This one, okay. Ayun. So put this one here. This one. So it's so this one. So here, they have opposite side. This one, they have a lock. Okay. Here. Here. Like this. So put here. So put this float. Okay. Post down like this. Also here. That's okay. So make it perfect. Like this. So make it push down this one. So put the lock. So this is the float and so the connection to here. Ay, rotation. X ha, X. Okay. So here. Okay. Now it's okay. It's already finished. So this is the, don't forget the new one. This one, this is the gasket. There. That's okay. This is the float pump connection. So this is the float. Now it's already finished. To this one, the install. How to install? This one.
ممكن يعلمنا ولا يعلمنا. في مقاطعة يوتيوب لنا فضائح سوالفنا حش في الحكومة وما ندري.
So you see, this is the fuel pump assembly now. So this is that ICU. That IC. So don't forget the hose.
ما منه فايدة.
Oh, when the hose again. So this hose. So
اليومين
don't forget to put this one, okay? Because if no attach the hose, it goes to hard starting. They cannot start the engine. So this is the style of the outlander. This fuel pump. This is the model. So put the hose on the clip. Okay. Careful this one. You see this one. Okay, this is the position. Okay. So this position.
No, no, no.
Up,
This one?
filter.
Yeah.
before هذا لازم rubber.
لا finish already. They have a new one.
new.
New, they have a new. The old no, not return. So this position. Okay. Here.
فاهمين على راسه. طلع فاهمين. خوي فاهمين على راسه طلع فاهمين.
This one. Okay.
هذه
So make it pose like this. This is the position to how to
هذا وش
install now. Where's the nut?
مصبر.
Samola when?
صمون صغير.
Oh. This one put here.
واجد. والله شغلة البي دي اي شو اسمها هذه؟ او بي دي.
Yusuf.
ها؟
PDI Yusuf.
بي دي اي شغل كويس ها؟
Pitab.
ها؟
Ma pitab. This one over here. Now it's finished. So put. Give me the hawa. I need to put. Retire this one. Now it's already finished, huh? The hose and also the wire.